Hello and welcome to this special lesson. I am going to teach you how to speak easily Wolof. Learning Wolof is very easy. So stay tuned and watch this video. Okay, in the first place, I am going to show you how to greet someone in Wolof. We start with how are you? We say na nga def. I repeat na nga def. Now I say that slowly and you repeat after me. Na nga def. I repeat one more time. Na nga def. Na nga def. Now let me show you how to say I am fine. Okay, I am fine is maa ngi fi. Maa ngi fi. I repeat that. Maa ngi fi. Now I say that slowly and you repeat after me. Okay, let's go. Maa ngi fi. Maa ngi fi. I think that's clear. Okay, if you are ready, we go to the next one. Now I show you how to say what's your name? What's your name? In Wolof, we say no tuddu. No tuddu. I repeat no tuddu. This one is pretty simple. Okay, if you are ready, we go to the next one. My name is. Okay, my name is. In Wolof, we say maa ngi tuddu. I repeat maa ngi tuddu. Maa ngi tuddu. Okay, now I say that slowly and you repeat after me. Maa ngi tuddu. Maa ngi tuddu. Okay, I repeat again. Maa ngi tuddu. Maa ngi tuddu. Now I give you an example. Okay, this is how we say my name is David. My name is David. In Wolof, we would say maa ngi tuddu David. I repeat maa ngi tuddu David. Now you are going to practice it so that I see if you really understand. Okay, I give you 10 seconds to find the right answer. Okay, let's go. How do we say my name is Sarah? Okay, the right answer is maa ngi tuddu Sarah. Maa ngi tuddu Sarah. Okay, we go to the next one, and you have 10 seconds to find the right answer. How do we say my name is Emily? Okay, the right answer is maa ngi tuddu Emily. Okay, now we move on, and I show you how we say where do you live. Where do you live? In wolof we say fo dëkk. I repeat, fo dëkk. Fo dëkk. Now I show you how to tell where you live. I live in. We say la dëkk. I repeat, la dëkk. La dëkk. And be careful with that one, because in wolof you tell the name of your country in the first place. Let me give you an example. If I want to say I live in Senegal, I would say Sénégal laa dëkk. I repeat, Sénégal laa dëkk. I repeat, Sénégal laa dëkk. Now you are going to practice that. I give you 5 seconds to find the right answer. Now let's go. How do we say I live in New York? Okay, the right answer is New York laa dëkk. Now, how do we say I live in Brazil? Okay, the right answer is Brazil laa dëkk. Now, how do we say I live in France? Okay, the right answer is France laa dëkk. Okay, now we go to the next one. I show you how we say yes. Yes is easy. We only say wow. I repeat, wow. That one is simple. Now we go to the next one, and I show you how to say no. Okay, no we say déet déet. I repeat, déet déet. Déet déet. Now we go to the next one, and I show you how to say thank you. Okay, thank you we say jë jërëjëf. I repeat, jërëjëf. If you want to learn this language, please don't learn from anything you find in the internet. I recommend you this special program from Senegal Wolof School. This will help you to speak easily Wolof in only 1 month. And if you have questions or you want us to help you, you can contact us. And we will be very happy to help you.